Ninth one. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of first one sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Second one cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Now to solve the first one, before solving this, first I have to find a third side of the right angle triangle. Let us take one right angle triangle. Right angle at B. This is 90 degree. Now here I will take this as A, B, this as C. Now tan A is equals to, according to this, tan is nothing but opposite by adjacent, that is BC divided by AB. Now tan A they have given, that is 1 divided by root 3. Now BC I can take as 1k. BC, that is nothing but k. 1k nothing but k it is. Then AB is root 3k. AB is root 3k. Now I want AC. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is equal to AB square, that is root 3k square, that is 3k square. Root 3 k whole square, it is 3k square plus BC square k square. 3 plus 1, that is 4k square. This is what? AC square. But AC is equals to, this will be 2k. Square root of 4k square, that is 2k. So AC I am getting as 2k. Now I have to write these values: sin A, sin C, cos A, cos C. All these values I have to write now. Now sin A is equals to sin A. According to the angle A, sin is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. BC divided by AC. BC divided by AC. Now BC value is how much here? BC is k divided by AC. AC value is 2k. So k get cancelled. I am getting 1 by 2. That is sin A. Now another one also I want cos A. Cos A I'll write. Cos A. For the angle A, cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC. AB value is root 3k. Root 3k divided by AC value is 2k. Now k get cancelled. Root 3 divided by 2. Root 3 divided by 2. Then sin C and cos C also I want. Sin C, cos C. Now I'll write sin C. Sin C. Now for the angle C, here not A, it is angle C. For the angle C, opposite side is AB, adjacent is BC, and hypotenuse is AC. Sin is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse, that is AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC. Now AB value is root 3k divided by AC value is 2k. So k get cancelled. Root 3 divided by 2. Root 3 divided by 2. Now another one also I want, that is cos C. Cos C is equal to, for the angle C, cos, that is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. For the angle C, adjacent is BC. BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. So BC value k divided by 2k. AC is 2k. K get cancelled. I am getting 1 by 2. Now what are the values are required? I got them. Now I will solve the first one. Okay. Now let us take first one. Sin A cos C plus cos A into sin C. That is equals to. Let us substitute the values. We have to find the value. Okay. Now first one is sin A. Sin A is 1 by 2 into cos C. Cos C value is 1 by 2 plus cos A. So cos A is nothing but how much it is? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 divided by 2 into sin C. Sin C value is also root 3 divided by 2. Now this is equals to 1 divided by 4 plus root 3 into root 3. That is 3 divided by 2 to the 4. Now this is equals to 3 plus 1, 4 divided by 4, that is equals to 1. So first one value is 1. Now I'll go for a second one. Second one. What is that? Cos A cos C. Cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. That is equals to, let us substitute the value. Cos A, cos C. Cos A value is here root 3 by 2. Root 3 divided by 2 into cos C value. Cos C value is 1 divided by 2 minus sin A. So sin A here is 1 by 2 into sin C. Sin C value is root 3 divided by 2. Now this is equals to root 3 divided by 2 to the 4 minus root 3 divided by 2 to the 4. Okay. Plus root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 get cancelled. Now I am getting the value as 0. So the first one value is 1 and second one value is 0. 10th question. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. Sum of these two sides is 25 centimeter. And another third side they have given, PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the value of sin P, cos P and tan P value we have to find. So let us take first right angle triangle. Right angled triangle. It is right angled at Q. I will take this as Q. You can take any P. I will take here as P and this as R. P, Q, R. Now PQ is how much? 5 centimeter. They are given. PQ is 5 centimeter. Then PR plus QR is 25 centimeter. PR plus QR is 25 centimeter. Sum of these two given as 25. Now here I will take this as X. QR as X centimeter. And this will be what? 25 minus X centimeter. Because sum of these two is 25 they given. Okay. So PQR I will take. Let QR is equal to X centimeter. Then PR will be, PR is equals to 25 minus X centimeter. Because sum of these two is 25. So 25 minus this side will give us the PR, hypotenuse. Now I have to find X here. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem. PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square. Now PR square, let us substitute the values. PR square, that is 25 minus X square is equals to PQ square. PQ is 5 square, that is 25 plus QR square. QR is X square. Okay. Now this is of the form A minus B whole square. 25 square, 625 plus X square minus 2AB. 2 into 25, that is 50X is equals to 25 plus X square. Now X square term will get cancelled. Okay. Now I will take this 625 to that side. Minus 50X is equal to 25 minus 625. Now this is minus 50X is equal to 25 minus 625, that is minus 600. So minus minus will get cancelled. So 0 will get cancelled. Remaining is 5X is equal to 60. Now X is equal to divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. X is equal to 12 centimeter I am getting. X is equal to 12 centimeter. Now I have to find what? Sin P, cos P, tan P. For that, first you write the sides here now. Now here QR is equals to QR I can write as X centimeter. X centimeter is how much? 12 centimeter. Then PR is equals to, PR is how much? 25 minus X. That is 25 minus 12. That is equals to 13 centimeter. All three sides of right angle triangle we know. Now we can write these values. Now first one sin P. So for the angle P, sin is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. That is QR by PR. QR divided by PR. Now QR, that is QR value is 12 divided by PR value is 13. Okay. Now another one, cos P. Cos P is equals to, cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse, that is PQ divided by PR. PQ divided by PR. So PQ value is 5 centimeter, they given here, divided by, now PR value just now I got, that is 13 centimeter. Now third one is tan P I want, tan P. So in this way also I can write tan P is nothing but what? Sin P divided by cos P. By that way also I can get. Alright, that is sin P divided by cos P. Angle must be same. Here P is there, here also P. If A is there, both must be A. Okay. Now this is divided by this one. 13 will get cancelled. 12 divided by 5. 12 divided by 5. Okay. This is tan P.